It'll hook itself. Swallow the whole pilchard.
Yep. I said whoever gets it fucked should be good.
Far off.
Far off. As soon as I get some on, it takes off. Get some fucking weight in it. You need the net.
No, we won't.
Feels fucking heavier than the first one I had cut.
Good fish.